dumbbell lat raise. So this is a really good exercise for your delts, and depending on how you do it, you can hit your anterior delts, which is front part of your shoulders, posterior or medial delt. So the way you want to do this is to not raise the weight from your wrist, not raising your arms up like this. Imagine you're wearing a cape and the string of the cape is wrapped around your elbow. Now you're Batman. Now Batman wants to spread his cape. What you want to do is lift from the elbow. Spread your elbows up. And that's when you really activate the delts. So, chest up, shoulders back. Imagine you're wearing your cape and you're not lifting from the wrist, you're lifting from the elbow. So from here, chest up, shoulders back, and from the elbow. And you're raising the elbow until your wrist is shoulder height. So not too high like this, not too here, not too low, shoulder height.